Welcome to another video tutorial in comparing two popular online payment services, Wise and PayPal. Both platforms offer fast and secure money transfers, but will break down the features, fees, and overall user experience to help you make an informed decision. We'll explore the differences in fees, exchange rates, supported locations, transfer speeds, payment options, user reviews, and ease of use. For the fee comparison, fees on both platforms vary based on the amount, payment method, and transfer speed chosen. PayPal charges a cross-border personal transaction fee, while Wise's fees are transparent, comprising small percentages and fixed fees. In this aspect, PayPal may have more favorable fees in some cases. For the exchange rate comparison, Wise offers zero markups on the mid-market rate, promising fair exchange rates and even allowing rate locking for certain transfers. On the other hand, PayPal has currency conversion fees with an exchange rate margin between 3.5 and 4%, making Wise the clear winner in this category. Now for location coverage, Wise supports transfers to 59 countries and over 50 currencies, including major regions. While PayPal is available in over 200 countries, it only supports 25 currencies, making Wise more versatile in terms of currency coverage. Now for transfer speed. Wise offers both fast transfers with higher fees for near instant transactions and low cost transfers with lower fees and slightly longer processing times. PayPal, if initiated instantly, can take transfer funds within its network immediately. However, if involving bank accounts, it may take 3 to 5 days, and in terms of speed, Wise is the preferred choice for many. Transfer and payment options. Wise provides multiple payment options, including credit and debit cards, online bank transfers, and various payout methods. PayPal offers bank transfers, card payments, and PayPal transfers. Both are fairly limited in terms of payout options, with neither supporting cash pickups. Wise boasts positive reviews on Trustpilot, with an excellent rating of 4.4 out of 5, reflecting its popularity and quality of service. PayPal, however, receives mixed reviews across various services, and it's crucial to note that reviews may not solely pertain to its international transfer service. Both platforms have user-friendly interfaces and accessible mobile apps. Wise supports 12 languages and implements a two-factor authentication system. PayPal is available in 17 languages, has a helpful community forum, and uses advanced encryption technology for security. In this category, PayPal stands out for its extensive accessibility and security measures. In the comparison between Wise and PayPal, Wise emerges as the preferred choice for many due to its competitive fees, favorable exchange rates, and broader currency coverage. However, user preferences may vary based on individual needs and priorities. Thank you for watching this video and let me know your comments on which platform you prefer. Don't forget to subscribe.